Yeah, hi, this video is for Rachel. It's Market FMAV. Just to let you know, I've done your laser. I'll just start it up now. I'll just turn the volume up a bit for you. Yeah, basically what I've done is I've changed the laser for you. I've given it a service, I've checked the cogs, and everything's working as it should be now. You know, it's in pretty good condition, but it's not, you know, it's not a really old model anyway. But yeah, it's all working as it should be. I've had it on test now for approximately 6 hours. I'm showing 0 faults on it. So yeah, it's working as it should be. So I hope you're happy with the service, and I'll get that out postage for you today. So you should have that tomorrow, which would be Friday. You got a 6-month warranty on that, on what I've actually done. So if anything goes wrong with the actual laser itself, you know, we replace free of charge. All we ever ask for is the postage. We don't get many back, but you know, it does happen. So there you go. So enjoy. Thank you very much.